In this video, we're going to talk just a little bit more about the shading models. We're going to click on this left sphere that has the blend model. Click on blend, and if you look down here below the basic attributes section, we have this section called specular shading. And we'll open this up, slide down to it. You see the parameters here: eccentricity and roll-off and specular color and reflectivity and reflected color. These are just things that have been coded into the programming of this blend surface that gives it this shininess, and we can actually edit this shininess. So we can make it look a little bit different. It's got some initial parameters here that's kind of the standard model, but if you wanted something to be shinier or this-er or that-er, you can come in and modify this. There's the numbers, there's the color swatches for setting colors, there's the sliders, there's those little sort of four checkerboards on the right that are a whole nother world that we'll get to just a bit later, and just all kinds of ways that we can modify these colors. Now that's the blend. We can see there's even more parameters here. Come over to the Lambert. Now click on the Lambert tab here in Attribute Editor, and if you look down right below this Common Material Attributes, there is no section for specular. There's the basic, and then it goes down to this special effects. Go to blends. There's a specular, and there's a bunch of other things. And a lot of these things will be in common between one material and the other, but some of them won't. And that's really what makes up these different shading models is these different parameters that some of them have, some of them don't. Some of them have different initial settings, because really these aren't materials. These are just computer algorithms that determine how the light is going to be interacted with, light that bounces off these objects. So that's just a tiny bit more about how these shading models work, and we'll talk about them more as we go on.